Hello. Okay. Hello, you guys. So let's see the Xbox One S. You wanna see the fan? You have the change. You have modification. Okay. Let's find out first. Hmm, okay. Oh yeah. So okay. So this is the Xbox One S. Of course, it's nice, and the fan looks really nice. Oh my gosh, this is looking for. Okay, this is CPU fan with LED lights with blue color fans LED. I change it into in the color into blue, right? So I can change the fan modification. So it's because I take out this one proprietary. It's a proprietary CPU fan from Xbox One S. So because I change it the fan modes, so it's really nice. So I changed it into fan modes into this. So this because I finished dismantle it, so I finished the teardown. So the fan really looks really nice. So you can see the airflow can goes in, and the airflow goes in the system. The air then go outside exhausted, and this is the air that goes out because it's not cooler. The CPU cooler, it does not work with the CPU cooler, so I changed it into the fan because the air goes because the air then goes in, so it makes the CPU cooler. So okay, so the Xbox One S. So this is proprietary fan, of course. So I painted it into white. So I spray it in the white. I take out the casing. And this one, the circle. I make it the hole in the circle. So that's it. So it's really nice logo. Wow. Yeah. So that's all, you guys. So okay. So thank you for watching YouTube and subscribe. So if you link it the comment, if you like it or not, just subscribe it the link below. So thank you and good luck. Bye.